Well, that's Kumar Birla. The Aditya Birla Group has been steadily increasing its bets on consumer-facing businesses. Nimesh is here with a snapshot of the recent expansion drive. Nimesh.
Well, Shirin, it looks like the Birla Group is now making all the right noise and focusing on the B2C business going forward. So let's revisit what the group has done in the last 1 year. If you look at the group market cap, they've added 2 lakh crores of market cap in the last 1 year, and now they command a market cap of 7 lakh crores. That's across the group. Now, if you look at the individual companies, the first is Vodafone Idea. The promoters have already infused 2,075 crores in Vodafone Idea, and this week there will be a large fundraising of FPO from the investors. The big focus will be on 5G and 4G capex going forward. What has the stock done? The stock is nearly doubled in the last 1 year, up 120%. The second group is Aditya Birla Capital. Today they've announced the omni-channel platform Aditya Birla Capital Digital. Now, that's going to be a B2C platform for retail investors. Also, they've announced the amalgamation of the Aditya Birla Fashion to create a large unified operating NBFC. Ever since the CEO joined a year and a half back, the stock has also doubled, is up almost 120%. That is Aditya Birla Capital as well. The third stock is Aditya Birla Fashion. Even here, it looks like they're making all the right noise from an investor perspective. Recently, they have announced the vertical demerger of Mundra Lifestyle and the fashion business into separate entities. Just a week before that announcement, government of Singapore actually converted the warrants into equity. So that shows a confidence in that group as well. The stock has been an underperformer, even in terms of valuations. If you look at the peers, Aditya Birla Fashion is trading at close to 33 times on FY26 price to earning, whereas Trent is quoting at almost 90 times. So a bit of catch-up maybe there as well. The fourth company is Ultratech Cement. There they've reaffirmed the position as a number 1 cement player, and they've announced a capex of almost 32,000 crores in the cement business as well. What has the stock done? Up nearly 40% in the last 30% in the last 1 year. The next group is Grasim. Even in Grasim, they've announced a big, ambitious focus into the paints business. So they've guided for 10,000 crores of revenue and turning profitable in the next 3 years in the paints business as well. The stock is up 48% in the last 1 year. And the last is, now look at the overall picture. In terms of 5-year revenue CAGR, the biggest growth has come in Aditya Birla Capital. They've grown at 22%. Grasim has grown at 16% on a 5-year revenue CAGR, whereas Vodafone has just grown at 8%. If you look at the profit CAGR, there again, Aditya Birla Capital stands out, 47% PAT CAGR over the last 5 years. Grasim has done 21%, Ultratech Cement close to 18%, and Hindalco has even grown PAT at 11%. At a group level, which has been the biggest concern, that's the debt. Now, on Vodafone is sitting on a debt of close to 2.4 lakh crore, Grasim at 1.2 lakh crore, even Hindalco is sitting at close to 65,000 crores of debt, and Aditya Birla Capital has close to 9,000 crores of debt. So while they're trying to address the debt issues, but looks like it's a return of the Birla Group, and they're making all the right noise, at least for the time being.
All right, Nimesh, many thanks for joining us. All of this even as